Hi kids! Today we will learn about different flying machines in the sky. Let's go! Airplane. This is an airplane. It takes people high up in the sky. Helicopter. A helicopter has big blades. It can fly up and down easily. Cargo plane. A cargo plane carries heavy goods. It helps move things across the world. Fighter jet. A fighter jet is very fast. It protects the country from danger. Bomber. A bomber carries bombs. It is used during wars. Biplane. A biplane has 2 wings. It looks old but very special. Propeller plane. This plane has a spinning propeller. It flies slowly in the sky. Seaplane. A seaplane can land on water. It is like a boat and plane together. Private jet. A private jet is small and fast. Rich people use it to travel. Blimp. A blimp is big and round. It floats in the air like a balloon. Glider. A glider has no engine. It quietly soars in the wind. Rocket. A rocket goes to space. It is super powerful and loud. Space shuttle. A space shuttle carries astronauts. It goes beyond the Earth. Drone. A drone is small and flies with remote control. Kids love to see it fly.
Balloon. A hot air balloon rises with hot air. It looks colorful in the sky. Zeppelin. A zeppelin is like a giant airship. Long ago, people used it for travel. Parachute. A parachute opens in the air. It helps people land safely. Hang glider. A hang glider looks like wings. People glide down from hills. Paraglider. A paraglider is light and fun. It flies with the wind. Airship. An airship floats with gas inside. It is slow but steady. Gyroplane. A gyroplane looks like a mix of a plane and a helicopter. It spins to fly. Stealth bomber. A stealth bomber is dark and quiet. It can hide from radars. Reconnaissance aircraft. This aircraft takes pictures from the sky. It helps in spying. Jet airliner. A jet airliner carries many people. It takes us to faraway places. Supersonic transport. This plane is faster than sound. It can cross oceans quickly.
If you are kids, then like the video and subscribe my channel. Bye.